Hello friends, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Snapchat account permanently. So open your Snapchat app first. Here you can see a profile icon, tap on profile icon. Now tap on setting icon. Scroll down. And here tap on I need help. Now here you will see a search bar, tap on it. Now tap here delete my account. Scroll down. And here is an option of account portal, tap on it. Now enter your password here. After adding the password, tap on continue. As you can see, your account is deactivated now. It will be deleted permanently within 30 days. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, so please subscribe my channel. See you next video. Till then, goodbye.